Breaking news. The Ford CEO has admitted the company is struggling to fix customers' vehicles. Across the United States, there are over 6,000 empty service bays, meaning your Ford could sit at a dealership for weeks without repair. This isn't a future problem. It's happening now. A Ford mechanic recently revealed the truth behind the scenes, and if you own or are considering buying a Ford, this information could save you time and money. Ford CEO Jim Farley revealed on Yahoo Finance and the Office Hours podcast that 6,000 service bays nationwide are currently empty. Imagine this, your $75,000 F-150 breaks down, you take it to the dealership where they have the lifts, tools, and equipment, but no mechanics. While you continue paying $1,500 a month for a truck you can't drive, these bays sit idle. Farley said, "As of this morning, we had 5,000 openings, a bay with a lift and tools, and no one to work in it. That's 5,000 unfilled mechanic jobs. These positions reportedly pay up to $120,000 a year, nearly double the U.S. median income of $62,000. So, why aren't these jobs filled? Farley blames a labor shortage and lack of respect for blue-collar work, but a real Ford mechanic's response tells a different story. Uther Ivanovcho posted a viral video exposing the truth. For example, replacing an oil pan gasket on a modern Fiat 250 under warranty is officially billed as 0.6 hours of labor, which is 36 minutes, but actually requires removing the entire cab and reassembling it, a process that can take a full day. Mechanics are effectively working for free for hours, which explains why many avoid warranty repairs. Another mechanic, Lance, echoed this issue, explaining that Farley's 6,000 empty bays claim is misleading. Dealerships use a one hoist per technician metric, but skilled mechanics need at least 2 or 3 lifts to work efficiently. Empty bays aren't due to a lack of mechanics. They're an attempt to maximize profit without providing adequate resources. So, why do Fords just sit at dealerships, unrepaired? Well, mechanics often avoid warranty work because, honestly, warranty jobs just pay too little, so most prefer those customer pay jobs instead. The thing is, most Ford dealership work is warranty-related, and that's because these vehicles just keep breaking down. Ford has become known as the recall king, with vehicles often sitting for months, like those 2023 Mustang Mach-E SUVs that can't even be sold because of unresolved issues. Plus, vehicles are redesigned every 3 years, and that means constant changes to components and layouts. Outdated flat-rate labor times leave mechanics underpaid for these more complex jobs. On top of that, skilled mechanics are quitting. Many experienced folks actually regret entering the trade, and they're dealing with burnout, financial stress, and tough industry conditions. Some are even warning the next generation to stay away. Modern Fords are also just hard to repair by design. They're optimized for factory assembly, not for fixing later. Technicians often have to disassemble like half the vehicle just to do a single repair, making these jobs really time-consuming and, honestly, not profitable. Ford claims the average service wait is about 2 weeks, but, mechanics say that's pretty misleading. The actual waits often stretch into months because there just aren't enough mechanics willing to work under these current conditions. Dealerships end up maintaining these big loaner fleets, not because they're being super generous, but because customers are left stranded due to ongoing repair delays. Becoming a Ford mechanic is, honestly, financially tough. Automotive school can cost anywhere from $30,000 to $200,000, and tools run about $50,000 more. A lot of folks earn minimum wage for years while carrying all that debt. Sure, high salaries, like $120,000, are possible, but it takes years, a lot of physical strain, and real financial sacrifice to get there. The reality is, many mechanics never actually reach that level. Ford's quality problems really create a vicious cycle. Vehicles break, warranty repairs underpay mechanics, skilled workers quit, service delays grow, and in the end, customers are left making those big payments on trucks they can't even use. The underlying issue isn't really society's view of blue-collar work, it's about how dealerships treat their mechanics. So in short, Ford vehicles are expensive, prone to issues and tough to repair under the current system, leaving owners frustrated and mechanics, well, overworked.